I got a deck over dump trailer, slipper spring suspension. He's never had it serviced. We're gonna tear it down, see what the brakes look like, see what the hub and drums look like. I'm gonna replace the wiring inside the axle tubes and do some lighting on the trailer. Let's get to it. Suspension on this trailer looks amazing. A little bit of surface rust, but nothing crazy. Rub rail is still good on this side. Bottom bolt is still good. Let's get these hub and drums off and inspect the brakes. The brakes are wired up with Scotch locks, so we're gonna change that and make it right. Tang washers. Where is it? There it is. Passenger side rear. Oh yeah, she done. Magnets toasted, and we got cupping on the hub and drum. Getting changed out. 9/16 socket takes the mounting bolts off. Driver side rear is off. Magnets done, and this is just an old backing plate that's getting changed out with the new drum. We're gonna rewire the inside of the axle tubes as well. Passenger side front. Same thing, magnets completely done, and we got cupping on the hub and drum. Backing plates off. I'm gonna pull new wire through the axle tube. I'm just burning 2 butt connectors and I can pull the whole assembly through. Yeah, let's go to the other side, pull it through. And feed the wire through the axle. All right, rear axle is rear run. I have enough space for wiring up. Let's get the front axle wired. All right, front axle is rewired. Enough wire to rewire and enough wire to rewire on the other side. There was no break in the lines, but usually on these older trailers, I like to swap out the wiring on them. New backing plates are going on. Good, wiring is not smashed into the backing plate. Rear passenger side's on. Front passenger side is on. Wiring is not smashed into the backing plate mounts. Everything zip tied to the U-bolt, won't get smashed against the frame. Let's pack up these hubs. I got all 4 hub and drums. I'm gonna pack them up. The seals are 2 1/8, so I got 4 2 1/8 seals. Let's pack these up. All bearings are packed. Inner bearing going in. Inner portion of the hubs are packed. New seals are going on. Seals are in, seals are clean. Outer race and outer hub is packed. New bearings are going in. All 4 hub and drums are ready to go on the trailer. Spindles are clean. 50, front passenger side. Passenger side rear, 50. Back off, tighten down, back off just a bit. Passenger side rear, retainer is verified. Backed off, little tight, off just a bit. Passenger side front, retainer is verified. And adjusting brakes. Backed off, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Free spinning, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Passenger side is adjusted. Driver side rear. Magnets are the same thing. Driver side rear is off. Driver side front. Same thing, magnets done. Everything's getting changed. Driver side front is off. Cutting out Scotch locks and rear cutout. Driver side spindles are clean. Driver side front going on. Fasteners tight, driver side front. Rear driver side is going on. Backing plate is on. Wiring is not smashed into the frame. Driver side front, wired. All right, rear is wired, but I'm gonna check and see what the wiring looks like from the main wire. Main wiring did use Scotch locks, so I'm gonna delete these. Wiring is tight. Rear is done, let's do the front. There's not a lot of room here, so I think I'm going to... All right, I made it a little bit more of a job. Added some extensions, and that jumper's good now. Leave some wire here, and then it's gonna be zip tied to the U-bolt. Rear hub going on. Front driver side going on. 50 driver side front. 50. Back off, hand tight. Back off a quarter. Retainer is on. Driver side rear, retainer is verified. Driver side front, backed off, hand tight. Driver side front, retainer is verified. If you need dust cap pounders, this one is a 579-1431. They're on brakesfortrailers.com. Code ALLRED5. Get you 5% off. And adjusting brakes. Cannot spin. Slightly rubbing. Driver side front. Driver side rear. Slightly rubbing. Driver side. Front free spinning. Rear free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Rear locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Driver side brakes work. Passenger side rear free spinning. Passenger side front free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Front locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. All brakes work. And shrink wrapping butt connectors. Front driver side wiring is zip tied to the U-bolt, and still need to shrink wrap the top. Driver side rear, zip tied to the U-bolt. Rear is shrunk wrap. Front is shrunk wrap and zip tied. Axles are completely wired. I got new backing plates, new hub and drums on there. Now let's dive into the wiring of this trailer. I'm gonna throw a terminal box right here, or on the inside, and then wire up everything. That way we know the lights work and we can expand. I need to add some marker lights on the sides, and then get his lights working. He's got some LEDs that he wants me to swap out the rears with. I can do that. Help if I had my glasses on. Frame ground is installed. 7-way terminal is installed. All right, I need to see what those wires go to. I know black goes to brakes, white goes to ground, and I need to see how it's wired in the back. Ended up wiring a new plug. Bouquet of eyelets is on the end of this. Wiring everything back together. All right, everything's wired. Let's plug it in. Double check. All right, well, I gotta get all the tires and wheels back on. I need to lift the bed of the trailer up so I can get to the battery. Battery's underneath. I can't get my hands on the terminal posts. So let's get tires and wheels back on, block the tires, get the trailer up in the air. Oh my gosh, dude, who invented this stop? Woo! Oh my God, that's so freaking scary. Okay, now I can get to the battery. It's got a charger on it. I'm going to put a new charge line. And we got it to work. 12-volt hot is showing good charge. I got a wire going all the way to the battery, and it is a fusible link right here. Everything's wired up, and I need to wire up the new rear lights he has. Our customer has his own lights that he wants me to install, so I'm doing that now. Light is in. Rear lights on. Back at the tester, the only thing blinking is reverse lights. This trailer does not have reverse lights. It means everything is working. Rear driver, marker light is on. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on, marker light is on. Lights work on the rear. I'm gonna add 2 more marker lights on the main frame here and on the other side. One mounted. Passenger side's on. Let's wire them all in sequence. We can go up around that. Up, through, and down. Nice. Now we just need to run this wire into the ground and into the marker light. All right, doing a last check on lights and wiring. Marker lights are on. Those are the new ones I just put on. Rear is on. Left turn is on. Back to markers. Marker is on. Marker passenger side's on. Right turn's on and working. And new marker light on main frame is on and working. I need to check the breakaway, but I need to get tire and wheel up in the air. Let's double check breakaway and double check brake circuit. Rear's free spinning, brakes are on, locked up, back to free spinning. Pull breakaway pin. Pin is pulled. Brake is locked up. Pin is going back in. Breakaway pin is back in. Tire and wheels back and free spinning. All circuits work. I ran new wiring and new lights. New wiring is across. Ran to the lights, added a new 7-way box, and then I wired up the breakaway into the main battery and the charge line as well. Pretty fusible link right there. Trailer has a little more lights now. And it's working lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. And lifting this heavy ass spare tire mount. Ugh. Bitch, this thing's heavy. Ugh. Come on. Dude, if you had a fucking blowout, you'd have a hernia. Holy moly. Come on. No way. This thing's heavy. Holy. Oh. Spare tire's on. Spare tire cover's back on. That was heavy. Alright, so the run on this dump trailer. 4 new backing plates, 4 new hub and drums, 4 new bearing kits, rewired all the brakes. I deleted all the scotch locks that I could find. I ran 2 new marker lights on the front of the trailer itself. I rewired the charge line from the battery so it's charging off the truck. Deleted the breakaway kit. I have the breakaway kit onto the battery itself on the dump trailer. It goes up, comes down. New breakaway switches on there. Lug nuts are torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next.